Dad make me back. Oh, I forgot Sudhiksha. After Dad makes Sudhiksha come. My name is Sudhiksha. My name is Kaviksha. Welcome to our channel. Kaviksha, I love bread. I like bread toast. I like cheese sandwich. I like corn sandwich. Let's make corn cheese sandwich. We need boiled corn, chopped garlic, 2 slices of cheese, butter, oreganos, 1 side toasted bread. Let's get started now. First let's add butter. Big slice. One. Let's add corn. Now let's add garlic. Turn on the stove. It's always better to take the parents' help. Yes. Wow, it smells so good. First we need to apply the butter on the bread and spread evenly. Maybe it's enough for spreading. Now let's keep the corn. And up. Good. That must be enough. Nicely spread it. Oh, I couldn't see the garlic. Where is it? Now let's keep the cheese. Yes, the cheese. Keep it. Now let's keep oregano. Now let's keep 1 bread top of it now. Now let's keep butter on the pan. Let's keep the sandwich in the pan. Now let's close it. Let's close it. Turn on the stove. When the cheese melts, it's time to flip. The heat is ready. And the cheese has melted. I'm ready to set you this. It's yummy. It's so yummy. I like sandwiches. So cheesy. It's so cheesy. If you want it spicy, then you can add chili flakes. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.